We want to augment the cachet, the quality that Vermont has. We know that Vermont represents holistic, wholesome foods, quality foods, natural foods, and if we can help in any sort of way, that's what we want to do. I was born in Dublin, Ireland, and the Bia, B-I-A, Bia, is the Gaelic word for food, so we thought this would be a great name for our laboratory. Our main purpose is to certify or verify labeling ingredients, also for food safety. Anywhere between 50 and 250 samples a day pass through our laboratory for food allergens, and that's from anything from gluten to egg to milk to soy to fish, walnut, tree nuts. You name it, we do it. We probably have the largest portfolio of any laboratory in the country for food allergens. Plus, we specialize now also in hemp testing, cannabis testing, and we've developed a whole new laboratory for that to verify the level of CBD, THCs, as well as contaminants and also terpenes that might be in there. So pesticides, heavy metals, also residual solvents that might be present.
And I think all of that just offers Vermont growers a great place to test their products and a place that you can rely on for quality results. So I got my PhD at the University of Rhode Island, and there I studied sustainable agriculture and food systems. Primarily I was working with sheep and goats, but also looking at the plants that we could feed them to treat different diseases. I came here because I'm a scientist, I wanted to do science, and Vermont had an opening. Bia is really good at offering internships, opening job opportunities for young scientists.
The biggest challenge, I think, is dealing with volume. As the volume increases, obviously, during the harvest season.
I'd say 90% of our samples have been from Vermont growers and producers. Just, knowing what their CBD levels are, their THC levels are. This is our first year, so it was a lot of learning. It was a lot of knowing not only what we need to give to the grower, but also what the grower needs from us. We're still continuing to learn, but we're definitely on a track in the right direction.
And keeping up with that volume can be difficult. So we're going to try and work on better flow mechanisms, techniques to process those samples so that we can analyze them in a more timely fashion. What we might do as the market, let's say, increases, if it does increase, then we'll have to hire more people, of course, and maybe buy more equipment to service that market. And also, there are going to be other states that have higher production of hemp or CBD type of crops, and we hopefully can help Vermont sort out what we can add to the quality of hemp or CBD in this market.